what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can power off your iPhone 11. So to do that, check in your iPhone 11 at the camera side. This is the side button, and in the other side you have volume up and volume down option. So what you have to do, this volume up button and this side button, you have to press and hold this button for a few seconds and you will see the screen. Okay, let me turn the camera. Okay, and this is the screen. Now you will see slide to power off. Just do that and that's it. Your iPhone is now switched off. So that's it guys. Likewise you can switch off your iPhone. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.